So let's see. We are given log 2 base 10 equals to 0.3010 and log 3 base 10 is equals to 0.4771 and log 5 base 10 is actually 0.6990. And just given these values, how exactly do we find? Let's give an example. Log 6 base 10. How do we find log 6 base 10? So given 2, log 2, 3, and 5. So I have to write down 6 in the terms of 2 and 3. And that gives us log 3 times 2, then base 10. And so that's equal to, from the laws of logarithm, I have 3 base 10 plus 2 base 10. And so I know that log 3 is actually this. Log 3 is 0.4771 plus another log 2 base 10 is this 0.3010. And so adding that up, I have 0.7781. So that's my answer. All right, let's see another example. Log 72 base 10. So 72, I can write 72 in 2, 3, 5. I think that's really possible. Except if we write 9 times. 9 times 8. And 3 raised to the power 3 is 8. And 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Okay, that's fine. 9 multiplied by 8 base 10. So basically, I can write this as log 3 squared multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 and 10. So I can see that this is now in base in 3 and 2s. All right, so I can write this as, based on the laws of logarithm, I can write this as log 3 squared base 10 plus log 2 to the power of 3 base 10. That's based on the law. Then that's going to be equal to, I'm going to bring this 2 to the back. That becomes 2 log 3 base 10 plus, bring this 3 raised to the power of 3, bring it to the back, and I have 3 log 2 to the base of 10. So I think we've gotten things simplified. 2. Then what's log 3 base 10? I see that as 0.4771 plus 3 log 2 base 10 is this. So you have into bracket 0.3010 and add that up together. So what I got is 1.8572, and that's our final answer. All right, looking at this example, log 64 base 10 plus 27 base 10. How do we evaluate this given all of these values? How do we do that? Okay, I know that 2 to the power of, actually writing this in 2s, 3, and 5. Those are options. So I know that 2 raised to the power of 6 would actually give me 64. So I'm going to write log 2 to the power of 6 base 10 plus, I know that 27 raised to the, 3 raised to the power of 3 is actually 27. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. And so we have this 6 comes back based on the law. That gives us 6 log 2 base 10. Then plus this 3 goes back. That becomes 3 log 3 base 10. So from what we have on the screen here, log 2 base 10 is given. So you have 6 into 0.3010, then plus 3 into what's log 3 base 10, that's it. And so you have 0.4771. To type down your calculator, what you get is 3.2373. And so that's your final answer. All right, so we want to take this example and evaluate log 35 base 10 minus log 17.5 base 10. So we're going to do this with this log 2, log 3 base, log 5. So how do I write this in terms of all of these three values? So I'm going to write 35 is 7 times 5. Okay, I'm going to just write log 7. I'll probably right here. You have log 7 times 5 base 10 minus log, I'm going to write this in fraction, that are going to be 175 over 100 will give me 7.17.5. All right, so from the laws of indices, I know that that's going to give me log 7 base 10. Because of this times, it's going to become plus log 5 base 10, then minus log this base 10 here, log 175 base 10 minus, because of this divide, minus log 100 base 10. Okay, so I have log 7 base 10, then plus log 5 base 10, then minus log 175 base 10, then minus times minus will give us plus, and plus log 100 base 10. Okay, all right, so we have to simplify this, and so we have log 7 base 10 plus log 5 base 10, then 175. So that'll be 25 times 7 is 175. So I'm going to have log 25 multiplied by 7, and plus log 10 to the power of 2 is 100. 10. And so I have log 10 7 plus log 5 base 10, then minus log 25. So minus times plus, because of this multiplication, that becomes minus log 7 plus this 2 comes back. I have 2 log 10 base 10, and so I have log 10 base 7 base 10 plus log 5 base 10 then minus log 5 squared is 25 base 10 minus log 7 then plus log 10 base 10 is actually 1 plus 2. Then we have log 7 base 10 plus log 5 base 10 minus, so this 2 comes back, becomes 2 log 5 base 2 and minus log 7 then plus 2. Then I'm gonna have log plus log 7 minus log 7 is gonna cancel out, and then I have an invisible one here, so that becomes 1 minus 2. Since both of these are of the same, they're the same, so we can just say that 1x plus minus 2x, so where log 5 base 2 is the x, so 1 minus 2 is actually minus. So what I'm going to have is minus log 5 base 2, base 10 plus 2. And remember that log 5 base 10 is actually 0.6990. That will be minus 0.6990 plus 2. And so that gives us 0.301.